I turned myself into an anime character, and then I made it move, talk, and act, all with free AI. I'll show you how to turn any photo into an anime character, in any style, and actually bring it to life, completely free. This is blowing up right now, and most people only do the boring version. Stick around, the part where I animate it is where it gets insane. So anime versions of yourself are everywhere right now, but everyone stops at a static picture. We're taking it further. Turn your photo into an anime character, lock the style, and then animate it into an actual moving clip. All free, all in the browser. Let's turn me into anime first. Step 1, the transformation. I take a normal photo of myself and drop it into a free AI image tool, which is inside Google Flow, the same tool that we will be using to make our videos later on. And boom, that's me, as anime. The trick is to say what you want kept. Same face, same hairstyle, same outfit. So it actually looks like you, not a random character. Micro summary. Upload a photo, prompt anime, keep your features. But there's not just one anime style, watch this. Real quick, subscribe, I post free AI stuff like this weekly, and I made a free PDF guide with every prompt from this video. It's in the description, go grab it. You're not stuck with one look. Same photo, totally different styles just by changing the prompt. I did a soft Ghibli style, a sharp modern shonen style, a 90s retro anime look, and a chibi version. Just swap Studio Ghibli style, modern shonen anime, 90s retro anime, cute chibi. Pick the vibe you want. Now let's make it a character you can actually reuse. If you want to make actual content, not just one picture, you need the character to look the same every time. So lock it. Generate a character reference sheet, front and side views, then use that as your reference for every new image. Now you can put your anime self in any scene and it stays the same character. This is what turns a filter into an actual avatar you can build a channel around. So, lock your anime self with a reference sheet, then drop it into any scene. Okay, now the part everyone waits for. We make it move. This is where it stops being a picture and becomes something real. We're going to animate it. Take your anime image, the one you're happy with, and drop it into Google Flow. Flow can take a still image and turn it into a moving video. So I upload my anime self and prompt. The character smiles softly and waves at the camera, hair gently moving in the wind, anime style, smooth animation. And it moves. My anime self is blinking, smiling, waving, actually animated. No frames drawn by hand, no animation software, nothing. From a selfie to moving anime in about a minute. And you can direct the motion however you want. Want a dramatic shot? The character turns to the camera with a serious expression, wind blowing, petals falling. Want something soft? The character laughs and looks away shyly. You're basically the director now. You can even make it talk, describe the mouth moving and add dialogue. One tip, keep the motion prompts simple and natural. If you ask for too much at once, runs, jumps, spins, throws a fireball, it gets messy. 1 or 2 clean actions per clip looks way better. Blinking, a smile, hair moving, a slow turn, those small natural movements are what make it feel like real anime instead of a glitchy mess. This is the part almost nobody shows you, and it's completely free. This is the difference between a trend and an actual skill. You just went from a selfie to animated anime with 0 drawing and $0. So now let's put it all together into an actual anime scene. But before that, let me show you what I made with these 4 styles. Pretty cool, right? Now for the last step, let's make an actual scene, like an anime opening. This is where you combine everything. I take a few animated clips of my character, and I chain them together using the end frame trick. You screenshot the last frame of one clip, feed it in as the start of the next, and they connect seamlessly. So you get one longer flowing shot instead of choppy little clips. That's an actual anime clip I could post as a short, use as a channel intro, or build a whole series around. And that's the full journey. You went from a normal selfie to an anime character to a consistent avatar to a fully animated scene. All free, all in your browser, no skills required. To sum up, chain your clips, add anime backgrounds and music, and you've got a real scene. Look at it and tell me what you think in the comments.
The heavy rain is lashing on the asphalt. The storm is trying hard to block away, but I can feel the heat inside your spirit. The promise that we made that day, we're standing tall against the rising tide, with nowhere left for us to run or hide. It's not just me, it's all of us together. This bond is more than just a simple word. The call for bravery is finally heard. Break through the wall and touch the sky. Our burning hands will reach so high beyond the limits of fear we knew. I'll give my life to stand by you. Every scar is a sign of a strength until the end, no matter the length. Believe in us, we're starting now.
And once you've made something this good, here's the one thing you need to do with it. Because once you're making anime content this good, you're going to want it everywhere. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, all of it. And posting the same video to every single platform by hand, in every different size, every day, that's hours of your life gone. So that's where repurpose.io comes in. It completely automates it. You publish your video once and it automatically reformats it and pushes it out to every platform on autopilot. So instead of one post, your one anime clip becomes 5, 6, 7 posts across every app, hands-free. It's the exact tool you want when you're pumping out content like this. The link's in the description, it's free to start, so go check it out. All right, let's wrap this up. So that's the whole thing, how to turn yourself into an anime character. Get any style, lock it as a consistent character, and actually animate it into a real scene. All completely free. Comment down below who I should turn into anime next. A friend, a celebrity, your pet, whatever. And drop her in the comments if you want me to make a full anime music video with this character next. Grab the free prompt guide in the description, and if you want to see AI make an entire short film, that video's right here. Go watch it. Because honestly, if you can animate one anime character, you can make a whole anime. And that's exactly where we're going next. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you there.